And the next topic is the polynomial. The next topic is polynomial. So at first discuss the meaning of the polynomial. Which type of term is said to be the polynomial? Suppose there is any algebraic expression. I am going to give some example at first. 2x square plus 4. Another example, second example is 3x to the power minus 4 plus 6x square plus 6. Another example is as like that, 4x minus 2 plus 7x plus 4. Another example is as like 3x square plus 2 by x plus 3. Now, among that, not every term are the polynomial. Some are the polynomial and some are the not polynomial. In the previous class or in the 6th, 7th class, according to term, we usually used to study the term algebraic expression having more than 3 terms is said to be the polynomial. But now in the for the 10th class or 9th class, you have to give the exact meaning of the polynomial. Here, polynomial is the such algebraic expression having the power of variable positive integer. You know the meaning of integer? Integer. Integer is you can say integer means integer means that having the positive and negative whole number. Positive and negative whole number is said to be integer. That is -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. This is said to be negative integer and these are said to be the positive integer. Okay, these are said to be the negative integer and these are said to be the positive integer. 0 is neither negative nor positive integer. Okay, so if the power is only the positive integer, then such a term is said to be the polynomial. For here, this is 2x square, power is plus 2, it is positive integer, so it is polynomial. The power is minus 4, it is negative, that's why it is not polynomial. Power is negative, although this have the power positive, this have the power positive, but this have the power negative. That's why it is not polynomial. For polynomial, every term of the power of variable must be positive integer. But if any term of the power is negative, then it is not polynomial. Okay. But if you see here the example number 4, then it is the power positive. But the power seems to be positive. But if you solve as like that, if this denominator will be in the numerator, then power become -1 plus 3. That's why here it become power -1. So it is not polynomial. Okay. So this is the real concept of the polynomial. Now the polynomial are in the form either ascending or the descending. If the polynomial either ascending or the descending, then it is said to be standard form of the polynomial. You know the degree of the polynomial. If the highest degree of the expression is said to be the degree of the polynomial. For the example, I am going to take here example 3x to the power 4, 4x to the power 6 plus 3x square plus 4. In this polynomial, this has power 4, 6, 2 and 0, but highest power is 6. Highest power is 6. So it is a polynomial having the degree 6. It is also said to be degree. Highest power of polynomial is said to be the highest power of the polynomial is said to be the degree of the polynomial. Okay. Yes, and if this is the polynomial but not in the standard form. For making this polynomial in the standard form, we have to arrange this expression in the degree either ascending or in the descending order. So STANDARD, standard form of polynomial is this have the highest power 6. So right here 4x to the power 6. This have the power 4. After 6, yes, the small number is 3 to the power 4. After that, the smaller than 4 is 2, and after that, the smaller than 2 is 4. There is no degree, it means 0 degree. Now, this is a standard form of the polynomial. Or you can also arrange as like that: 0 degree, 3x square plus 3x to the power 4 plus 4x to the power 6. This is the a polynomial having the standard form. Yes, by this much you have to understand about the meaning of the polynomial, and about the about the degree of the polynomial, and about the standard form of the polynomial. After that, there become the algebra of the polynomial. Algebra of the polynomial means plus, minus, multiply, and the divide. And I think you know betterly that to do the plus, minus, and multiplication, I am going to do here from the divide. Okay, I am going to starting here from the division. That is division, 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 division of polynomial, division of polynomial. So you can do the division of polynomial by the different method, as like the algorithm method, as like the direct method. But I am going to give you a new idea to divide the polynomial. That is division by SYN THE, synthetic, synthetic division, DIVISION, division METHOD, synthetic division. Now you can take the example of example for divide. Here is the question: divide f x is equal to 2x cube minus 4x square plus x plus 5 by gx is equal to x minus 1. But I am going to divide this by the division method. Okay, you know that gx is the divisor, dx is the divisor. It means that as like that x minus 1, 2x cube minus 4x square plus x plus 5. It means that this is the divisor, this is divisor, divisor, divisor. Okay, divisor. This is dividend, dividend, dividend. Okay, dividend, this is d, dividend. And here result become quotient, quotient, and last one there is the remainder. Okay, so you can do this by the different method, but I am going to solve this by the division method. So solving this by division method, at first we have to compare the divisor with the 1, as like that. When right here, when x minus 1 is equal to 0, you have to always write as like that. When x minus 1 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 1. Okay, now the from fx is equal to 2x cube minus 4x square plus x plus 5. Okay, at first you have to arrange the term in the standard form, that is in the ascending order. Degree should be in the ascending order. If there is arrange, then you have to write their coefficient. Okay, now the polynomial is 3 degree, 2 degree, 0 degree, and 1 degree. In this cases, this is arranged in the standard form. That's why you have to take the coefficient. That is x cube, a coefficient is 2, x square coefficient is minus 4, x coefficient is 1, and 5 is always the coefficient. Okay, you have to write as like that. When we compare x minus 1 is equal to 0, then value of x is 1. So that's why take here 1. This is the method to divide by the synthetic division method. Okay, what is the rule? Rule is that first number should be replaced same downward. I repeat it, listen it carefully, don't speak too much. Okay, I repeat it, 2 should be in the downward. Now multiply this 1 by this 2. The result become 1 2 are 2. Again replace 2 here. After multiplying 1 2 are 2, replace here 2 and add this. Then this become minus 2. Okay, this become minus 2. Again multiply minus 2 by 1. Multiply minus 2 by 1. then this become minus 2. Again this replace here, minus 2 here. After adding, you will get the minus 1 result. Okay. Again multiply this minus 1 by this one, then 1 ja minus 1. Again replace this one minus 1 here, add this one, this become plus 4. Now you can include this plus 4. Now if you see here, then the quotients are QUOTIENT. Quotients are right here. QX is equal to, look here, this is 2 minus 2 and 1, then right here the coefficient 2. Now the term in the 3 degree, the term is, it started from 3 degree, so decrease 1 degree and write there x square. Okay, right there x square. After that this is minus 2, decrease from here, this is x square, decrease 1 degree, then it become 2x minus last one is 1. If you decrease 1 degree, then it become the 0. So this is the quotient. Now the remainder is RE, yes, the remainder is REMAINDER, remainder RX is equal to, what is that? That is 4. What is that? That is 4. So by this method you can find the quotient and remainder of any polynomial by using the synthetic division method. Yes, this is a very easy method. Students are usually taking this very easy method. Okay, if you have any confusion, then you can also ask me. Okay, and you have to you can see here in your exercise book also there are the several method, no, and there is the another yes, in the exercise 2.1, there is find the product of the following polynomial. You have to do the multiply. Product means multiply. These are the very easy, you can find the product. Okay, and here is the divide. In the question number 4, find the quotient gx and the remainder rx if fx is divisible by qx. This is the division. Divide fx by qx. Okay, divide fx by which x? Qx. And here is also divide fx by qx. Okay, here is no any determine the method, so you can use as you like, but it is very easy to do by the division, synthetic division method. Okay, so classes I am going to give you homework to divide the polynomial by the synthetic division method. So this is your homework, that divide fx by gx. Fx is equal to x squared 20x plus 6 by qx is equal to x minus 3. Question number 1. Question number 2, fx is equal to 12x to the power 4 20x cube minus 7x square plus 4x minus 3. Okay, and by quotient qx is equal to 2x plus 3. Okay, in the question number 3, the question number 3, fx is equal to 2x cube plus 6x square plus 7x plus 5 by qx is equal to x plus 3. Okay, Question number 5. Fx is equal to 4x cube 3x square plus 2x plus 1 by qx is equal to x minus 2. Okay, and in the question number 5, fx is equal to 8x square plus 2x plus 5 by look here, by what, by qx is equal to 2x plus 3. Okay, only I am going to give you the 5 problems, that is divide this by this using synthetic method only. SYNTHETIC synthetic, METHOD synthetic method. Okay, now I am going to pause the video so you can take the screenshot for doing the homework. Okay, you can take the screenshot now for doing the homework, and everybody have to submit the homework in the messenger. Okay, and if you have the confusion, then you can ask me. You can yes, you can ask me in the messenger as like the message. Okay, so thank you, only this much. Thank you, class.